Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you involved in construction or DIY projects and find yourself constantly needing to make precise calculations? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore 3 of the best construction calculator apps for Android that can help you simplify your work, save time, and ensure accuracy on your projects. Let's get started. Construction Calc App. The Construction Calc App is a comprehensive tool designed specifically for construction professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This app offers a wide range of calculators that cover various construction-related tasks, including area, volume, material estimation, and conversion formulas. Users can easily compute measurements for different materials, such as concrete, wood, and drywall, allowing for precise project planning and budgeting. The user-friendly interface provides quick access to essential tools, making it ideal for anyone involved in construction work. Whether you're a contractor or a homeowner, this app can significantly simplify your construction calculations. Chippy Tools Construction Calc. Chippy Tools is another excellent app tailored for construction workers and builders. This app includes several calculators related to essential construction measurements, such as framing, roofing, and flooring calculations. Users can find specific tools for determining the quantity of materials needed for their projects and estimate the costs effectively. Additionally, Chippy Tools offers features like angle and slope calculators, which are particularly useful for roofing tasks. With its straightforward design and practical functionalities, this app is a valuable resource for professionals in the construction industry, helping them save time and enhance accuracy in their work. Feet/Inch Construction Calc. Feet/Inch Construction Calc is a specialized app focused on providing precise calculations in feet and inches, which is invaluable for construction projects in the US. The app allows users to perform a variety of calculations related to measurements, area, volume, and material takeoffs. Its interface is designed for easy input of fractional measurements, making it particularly user-friendly for those who work with imperial units. In addition to standard calculations, the app can convert between different units, helping users navigate various measurement systems seamlessly. This app is perfect for contractors and builders who need reliable and accurate measurement calculations on the go. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this overview of the best construction calculator apps empowers you to tackle your projects with confidence and ease. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tool recommendations. Have you tried any of these apps, or do you have your favorites? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy building!